Want to create a poll on Messenger? You can easily set up a poll in your Facebook Messenger group chat with just a few simple steps. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a poll on Messenger. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. A poll on Messenger lets you pose a question with multiple answer options in a group chat. Group members can then vote on these options, making it simple to gather opinions or reach decisions together. To create a poll in Facebook Messenger, start by opening the Messenger app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the group chat where you want to create the poll. If you don't have a group chat yet, you can easily create a new one. At the bottom of the chat screen, you'll see the message input field. Tap on the four-dot menu to the left of this field, or you might see a plus icon instead. A menu will pop up with various options. Select Polls from this list. Now a pop-up screen will appear. Enter your poll title in the What's Your Poll About field. After that, you'll need to add options for your poll by typing them into the Add Option field, one by one. Once you've added all your options, tap the Create Poll button to post it in the group chat. Now all group members can vote in your poll, and you'll be able to see the current results as people participate. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and share polls in your Facebook Messenger group chat. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.